Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affluent Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affluent Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And today, in this episode, I'm gonna talk about how to start affiliate marketing with no experience. If you are a beginner and know nothing how to start affiliate marketing business and you don't have any experience, then watch this episode till the end where I'm gonna show you exactly how to start affiliate marketing business with no experience step by step, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. You can see that. You can go to Amazon and you can check out this book. By the way, down below, I have also put the link. You can go and check out where you will get to know each and everything about how to start affiliate marketing business step by step. Got it? Now, without any delay, let me show you how to start affiliate marketing business step by step with no experience. Now, very first thing that you have to do, you have to pick your niche out of three market. There are three market: health, wealth, and relationship. Pick your niche out of these three market, and once you know that, okay, yes, this is the market where you want to go. For example, you want to go in wealth market. In wealth market, you can niche down to your sub niche. As in my case, my sub niche is affiliate marketing, and you can see that there are people, those who are looking for how to start affiliate marketing, right? Something similar to you. You might be searching on YouTube or maybe on Google that how to start affiliate marketing, and all of a sudden you found my video. What is that? This is the problem that I see many people they have. They are looking for how to start affiliate marketing. Once I know, yes, this is my market and this is my sub niche, as in my case, it is affiliate marketing. And through affiliate marketing, people want to make money. People are looking for how to make money doing affiliate marketing. This is the problem that I want to solve in the market. Now, this is my niche in my wealth market. And this is very, very important. Pick your niche. And when I talk about niche, one thing that you have to keep in your mind that pick your niche where you have passion, where you have interest, and where there is demand in the market, where you can make money too. Now you tell me, if there is no demand, if there is no money in the niche where you are going to start your affiliate marketing business, then what's the benefit of doing affiliate marketing business? Why we are in this business? Because we want to make money. I hope you are getting my point. That's why it's very, very important that, no doubt, you have to have passion, you have to have interest in your niche, but at the same time you have to look for whether there is demand or not, whether there is money or not. If you see that yes, there is demand and there is money, then yes, you can go and pick that niche and start working on that niche. Got it? Now, once you know, okay, yes, this is my niche, then what is your next step? You have to pick affiliate program or affiliate product through which you are going to promote your affiliate offer, or you are going to solve the problem of your ideal prospect. This is your second step that you have to do. And for that, what you can do, you can go to Digistore. Digistore is a free network, you can say free affiliate network, where you can find so many products to promote in any niche that you can imagine. Simply here, I'm assuming that you have created your account with Digistore, and when you log in into your account, then simply come here, marketplace. Click here, and then here you can see the products, and you can also select the products by coming here, product categories. You can see business, investment, betting system, dancing, and music, computer, internet, email marketing, health and fitness. If this is your niche, you can see. If you are into online marketing and e-business, then you can come here. Or if you are into personal development, you can come here. For example, this is my niche. Okay. Now, from here, what I can do, I can pick the product that I want to promote. For example, I can pick this one, Millionaire Partner System. I can pick this one, and they are giving me $1,000 commission. Now, this is great. I can also check their page, sales page. And if I want to promote, then simply what I have to do, I have to come here. Can you see that promote now? I can click on that, and this is my affiliate link that I need to promote. So I can copy that link. And here, one thing I would say, or rather promoting this affiliate link, what I can do, I can go to Bitly. Bitly is software, free software, through which I can make my affiliate link short. Now you can see that it is long looking affiliate link and it is somewhere doesn't look nice. Then here in that case, rather promoting this link, I can come to Bitly, and when I log in into my Bitly account, can you see that create new? Click on that and click on that link, and now paste that link here, that affiliate link. This is your affiliate link through which you are going to promote your affiliate offer in your niche. Now, here what I can do, I can give it a name. Its name is Millionaire Partner System. I can give it a name, MPS, Millionaire Partner System. Let's see whether it is available or not. No, it is not available. Then I can give, okay, I can give it another partner system, Millionaire Partner System 1 2. Now let's see whether it is available or not. Yes, now it is available. Now what I can do, I can click on that. Can you see that? Create. Now this is my final link that I need to promote. I'm gonna copy. Now let's see whether everything is okay. Paste. Yeah, you can see my username here. It's mean that this link is okay. Now you can see how to make an additional $1,000 to $3,000 per day in passive income on complete autopilot in 2024. This is the sales page of this offer that I'm promoting. Now everything is okay. Now what my next thing? Simply, as you know, I have copied this link. Now next thing that I have to do, I have to pick my platform where I'm gonna promote my this link. And your platform can be Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. It's up to you. Pick one where you have interest, where you have passion. As in my case, what I can do, I can go to Facebook, and here on Facebook, you have to optimize your Facebook profile and create your Facebook account considering that you are going to do business. As you can see, I have optimized my Facebook profile considering my affiliate marketing business. And here, if you don't know how to optimize, you can go and watch my previous videos, or I will put the link below in the description. And there you can get to know how to optimize your Facebook profile for your affiliate marketing business. Right now, after optimizing my Facebook profile, what I need to do, can you see that intro section and bio section? Bio section, intro section. In this section, put your affiliate link here. This one, this one. I can come here and I can paste here. I can paste here. By the way, I need to reduce the text as it is showing minus 12 characters remaining. So I can, what I can do, like how to make $1,000 in passive income. I can type something like how to make $1,000 passive income. Got it? By the way, I'm promoting different product, so I'm not gonna change anything. Come up with one line that must be matched with the message that you see on the sales page. Same message you can put here, and with your affiliate link you can put here, and then can you see that edit details? When you click on that, then there will be section website and social links. There you can put your affiliate link here, this one. And when you paste the link and when you save, it will be showing here. This is what you have to do once you have picked your platform. As in our case, it is Facebook. Got it? Now, what is your next thing? When you have done everything, then next thing that you have to start producing or start publishing valuable content considering the problem of your ideal prospect or your ideal customer. As in my case, you can see that I am posting or I'm sharing reels on my Facebook profile. You can see that. It's up to you. If you love to be on camera, you can start posting reels, or if you love to write, then you can start posting written content. As you can see that this is my written content. Now do it every day. Start posting video, your content, whether it is in video format or in a written format. It's up to you. Now, why we do that? Simply here, overall idea is that please understand this. Nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. That's why it's very, very important to publish valuable content through which you are helping your ideal prospect. You are, you can say, giving value to your ideal prospect. And when your ideal prospect see that you are providing great value through your content, definitely slowly they will start trusting on you, and they will come to you and they will say that, hey, I find you that you are a great person and you are providing great value in the market. I'm learning a lot from you, so please give me your affiliate link and I want to buy the product from your affiliate link. This is what happens when you provide valuable content on your social media platform. This is what you have to do consistently. You can see that my reels, and then sometimes I post my CTA post, so you can see my reels, right? You can see that. Then sometimes my, you can say, written content or written post. This is what you have to do consistently. And here I would say give at least 6 to 12 months time. Give at least 6 to 12 months time, because we are doing affiliate marketing organically. Mean to say, we don't have to pay any money for getting traffic, or we don't have to spend money on ads. What we are doing affiliate marketing organically. And when we do affiliate marketing organically, here it takes time, at least 6 to 12 months time it will take you to make money or to see results. I would say it takes 6 to 12 months time to build that trust, to build that goodwill, to let people know you, like you, and trust you. At least 6 to 12 months time. Got it? So this is what you have to do if you want to start affiliate marketing business, or if you want to get results doing affiliate marketing. And This is very, very important. Don't dabble. Don't distract. Don't jump on one sign object to another sign object. I mean to say, if you don't see any results or if you don't make any money within 1 week, 2 week, 1 month or 2 months, don't say that this affiliate marketing business doesn't work. It works. And this I can say from my personal experience, it works. But you have to be consistent. You have to show the patience and you have to provide value to your ideal prospect. And as you know that you are paid for the value that you provide in the market. Help people through your valuable content. Got it? This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. And now you know how to start affiliate marketing business. And again, let me tell you, like when you start providing valuable content, then some of them will come and they will check your profile and they will click on your affiliate link. And if they think that yes, this product is great, through which they are going to solve their problem, then they will buy the product. And yes, if they buy, you will make commission. This is how this system works. This is how this affiliate marketing works. Got it? So now you know how to start affiliate marketing business step by step, even if you have no experience. Yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will do my best to help you. I will do my best to answer your question. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this episode, please do like and share this episode. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.